Hello, this is a short video explaining how to take part in the Lost Tribe audit project. This is the largest trainee-led orthopaedic audit conducted, and it's organised by the British Orthopaedic Trainee Association in conjunction with the British Orthopaedic Network Environment. There are 4 easy steps. The first one, you basically have to register your interest in being a collaborator by going on bone.buzz and completing a very simple form, which takes around 45 seconds to complete. You fill in your name, your email address, where you work, what type of hospital you work in, and there are a few questions about the hospital and the department that you're working in at the moment. How many consultants, registrars and SHOs there are, how many trauma nurse coordinators there are, what kind of activities do they do, and who makes up the on-call team, for example, for trauma, whether there's orthogeriatrician cover. And then you click submit once you've completed those, and it takes you to this page which says that you've confirmed your registration of interest to be a collaborator. The second step comes after you receive an automated email sent directly to your email address to activate your Bone account. So essentially you click this link and it takes you to the Bone website. It asks you to confirm your account and activate your account after inputting your details correctly, so where you're working and what region you're working in, and asking you to set up a unique password for your account. So once you've done that, you click these details are correct, take me to the project page, and it takes you to this page here. The third step is downloading and reading the Lost Tribe toolkit. It's not very long, it's quite short, there's only 4 documents in there, and that's at the bottom of the project page. If you scroll down, I would start with the welcome letter, which basically explains some of the basic information and why we're doing this audit. The audit project dates, which are between Monday the 18th and Friday the 22nd. Then I would move on to the rules of engagement, which explain that this audit is run on an equal equity basis. So if you submit data and you're a collaborator, you'll be named as a co-first author. And there are some FAQs that give some more detailed information about commonly asked questions with regards to this project. The final step is collecting and submitting your data, and we've tried to make this as easy as possible. So if you scroll down and find the Excel file, the data collection sheet, this is a locked file, so you can only input data into the shaded cells, and the orange cells are information about you as the collaborator. The green shaded cells are about the grade of the SHOs that are in that department. So in this particular hospital, let's say there's a locum, there's a CT1, and there's a trust grade doctor. And for each session, we want you to fill in the blue shaded cells using the code and the drop-down boxes provided, what activity they did in that time period. So this is between Monday, the 18th of January at 8 AM, all the way through to Friday, the 22nd at 8 PM. Now, once you've completed the clinical diary, the activity diary for the SHOs that were present in that 5-day window, there may be some rota gaps, for example. This may be a 6-person rota, and there are 3 rota gaps, which were filled in there as RG in the green shaded cell. You then save the file name with your first name, your surname, and the hospital name. If there are multiple collaborators, you put all their names into the file name. And once you've saved that, you then email it to losttribe@bota.org.uk. Thank you very much for listening, and we look forward to having you as one of our collaborators. At the time of making this video, we have over 200 collaborators that are going to be conducting this audit, making it the largest UK trauma and orthopaedic audit of its kind. Thank you very much.